There we are, stacking some cedar, pushing it out, making a big pile of it. Here's Jim, coming back to push some more, so another load of it. A lot of work, but we're getting it done. Alright, that's it for this video. Well, that's the tool again today, clearing the property line. We've got the chainsaw, the toolbox, the bar oil. Some are over there. I've got some gas, some diesel for the tractor, and juxtaposed in, we've got some coffee we're cooking. Almost ready. Nice and cold day. That coffee's going to taste real good. That's it. I'll tell you when you start. Okay, say something intelligent. So here are the angels of Angel Ranch, January 2016. Somebody over here doesn't know how to dress appropriately.
Oh, I'm warm, I'm nice, I'm comfortable.
It's about 40 degrees with a 20-mile-an-hour wind.
Cold,
about 20,
tightly wrapped.
not tightly wrapped. Unsafe at any speed. So there we go. And what we're doing over here is we're working again on this front property line. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing these videos, but this is a long project. And we're working on other projects today, but that's it. So everybody say bye until the next video.
Bye.
February 6, 2016, we got the West Arena cleared here. Give you guys a look at what it looks like before we start putting it up. Got 24 holes in the ground. Each one's 24 inches wide by about 4 feet deep. These are going to be the footings for the arena columns. There you are all the way around. This would be the East Arena. Bright and early out here this morning. We're going to get after trying to put this thing up. Pushing some cedar over here. Making some more room for the fence. Here we are drilling a 24-inch hole with the pavilion footing. Got to go down about 4 feet. Get down that far. You have to pull the bit back out every so often and tear it off. There we go. Here's the first length of the front property fence. Just got it up here. We're the 13th of February. And here's Jim over here in the corner tying it off, the detail work. Got to get these stays in so it stays put. Looking good over here. And the hardware that we use it, come along, the tractor to anchor the come along, stretch it. And there's the next roll of fence, ready to go. We'll start on this end right here and then continue on down west. Here's the end all tied off good and strong. Fence wraps around the corner and it's loose now and bowed out. That's what it looks like before we cinch it up. We'll get on that far end with the come along, pull it nice and tight, and then start putting on the stays. But you got to stand it up first.
Okay, yes, loop it around the pipe.
So here we are, we got it pulled down. It's nice and tight. And here's the technology that we use. Come along. Black pipe.
A come along, which is actually the trade term.
That's right. Hook it to the bucket.
Nice. We don't have to tie it off.
That's right. I think the tractor could just be permanently right here.
Just plant flowers around it.
That's right. It'll look nice. No, probably not. We might use it somewhere else. Well, we're laying out the frame for the front gate. We got 2 lengths here cut. We're going to make 2 different gates. 2 gates come together in the middle. Those are some spacers. Here we got 2-inch square tubing, cut about 130 some odd inches, 60 inches on the ends. Some hinge plates there. Here's our medallions. They finished up really good. They're 1/8 inch thick material, and they're going to get welded inside those rings. And so here's our Angel Ranch medallion, and then our angel with the soldier in the center there. And over here we got the welder, some welding rods. And so here's a little bit different look. We're not out on the property today. We're at another location. We needed some place with electricity and a nice big flat area to work on. So we're at Betty's driveway out here laying this out. So that's it for now. Update coming. There we go, putting the bead on it. We got the frame laid out. That's squared up. Thomas is down here welding away. There's our welder in the background there. Shop saw over here. He's taking a cigarette break. We got all the tools. We got the manpower. We got it all put together here. There's our medallion circle that go in the middle. Well, the fruits of a lot of work here, but we got the first gate finished. There's the medallion in the center, our angel protecting a soldier. And we're using a starburst form here. Starburst design on the front gate. So there it is. It's all its regal glory. And here's some leftover material. We got a chop saw, gloves, extra material for the next gate over here. Grinder, circa 1950. Welder, and 2 hard-working angels over here taking a break right before we start. That's it for now.
Morning.
Morning.
Hola.
Hola. Looking at the after, first gate all laid out. We flipped it over. We're going to work on the back side of it now. Well, do a little more welding and clean up. And over here, here's the beginnings of the second gate. Got the 2-inch tubing just laid out in a rectangle. Got our medallion support just laid in the middle. Now the fun begins as we start welding up the second gate.
I just leave everything laid for right now.
Okay, through the magic of photography and 12 hours of work by 3 people, there's gate number 1. And over here is gate number 2. What a deal. All finished up with the gates. Now we just got to get them loaded up and off to the ranch. We're going to put them on the trailer today and then take them out to the ranch probably tomorrow or Tuesday. All right, the 28th of February, 2016, Angel Ranch, out. Got to use the tractor to set these posts. They're kind of heavy. So we chain it to the bucket, bring it over, and set it down in the hole. That's up to the person to do. That has some equipment. Got Jim on the tractor over here. Let me show you how this works over here. Got the chain around. Alright, I gotta get to work. There's the footing to one of the columns for the arena. Working on the east arena. Oops, there it goes. It's gonna fall over. Yeah, they're not too stable. They'll stand up for a little while and then they lay over. But that's all 12 of them. They're in one form or another. Some are standing upright, some are laying over. But now the challenge is to come back in, hook the stringers up, probably run one set of stringers all the way around, and then remeasure, make sure it's all square. Alright, that's it for this video. First section going up, we got 4 or 5 of the uprights in the hole center, got the stringers in between coming around, but we hit a bit of a snag. When we came over to this one, our hole's about, well, it's not where it should be. The hole should be to the left of the end of that stringer. As you can see, we missed it about 1.5 feet. So the technology is over here, post hole digger, hard working angel. Just dig it out. Open it up about another 12-18 inches to the left there so we can recenter it. Now we went back and verified. It's the only hole that's out of shape. All the other ones are perfect where they need to be. So before we got too involved in redigging a hole here, we made sure all the other ones were all right. But this one's a little bit off. That's it. There's the magic of photography. Got the hole moved over. And there's the footing moved over. Wasn't too far off. Looking better now though. Okay, well, 2 days worth of work. And there it is. The first arena come to place. Got all the poles in, stringers across, changed the hole dimensions a little bit. Got all the way around, and we have a problem over here. Yeah, that hole's got to come over about 1.5 feet to the left. But March the 5th, 6 p.m. We're going to save that for another day.